Hello everyone, this is Vistra with Paper Seasoning, and I am going to do a flip through of this journal that I completed. I did do a craft and chat video showing some of the process that I did when making this journal, and I did complete it off camera. So if you would like to go back through those videos and see a little bit of the process of how it was made, then feel free to do so. I tied this journal together. The closure is sari silk here, and this is how I chose to do the cover. The cute little butterfly with happy little moments, and I put a little piece of lace here. Two signatures. That's the back side. Now first, when you open this up, you have on this side identification card, and it flips, and you have a spot here for the date, and it's a little pocket. And how cute is that little bunny? I put a little heart sticker there, and it says grateful, so you can write a list of everything that you're grateful for on that page. And this does flip open here. So let me move that. And this is a little brad. This brad has a little tree in it. It's really, really cute with that little tree there. And the little butterfly. A little journaling spot. So it's showing you that's a pocket. This flips up and you can journal here. And on this side, you have a little journal spot there. And it says great blogs and sites, which you can go ahead and just put mine there. And here I did quite a bit of banners at the top because I just thought that was really cute. And I added a little bracket on the side and the teacup, and that's how I decorated that page because I thought that went pretty well together. That does looks nice to me. And to get into the journal, this is the front page, and this little piece here is stuck on with a piece of washi. I tried not to decorate the pages so much, to leave that for you to decorate. This is a little tuck. Journal side. And this is just on with a piece of washi, so if you didn't like that there, you could just take it off and move it. This is a little tuck spot here. I added a piece of tea stained paper. Pocket there. And here I sewed on this cute little bow piece of fabric. It has the little bows on it. I just thought that was just really cute right there. And this is another little piece that I added that you can just take out and just journal on. another tea stain paper and 2 journal cards. This is a cute little journal spot. Here is another pocket. The little bunny, you can journal behind it. And this here, I found this cute little button, and I just had to put it in this journal. So that's where I put it. And only thing you need to do is just flip that up, and you can journal here. And then it just folds right back down. Goes like that actually. And this opens up, and you have a little tuck spot there. Pocket here. This banner flips up, and you can journal there. Close it up, and that's the completed journal. This will be for sale in my Etsy shop. It is B6 size. It's 5 by 7. There. I hope you enjoyed this flip through. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye-bye.